Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to use a notepad as a quick to-do list. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. First things first, a notepad has this dot log. This one is a simple yet clever way to automatically timestamp your notes, making it great for daily logs, journal, activity tracking, and quick to-do lists. So every time you open that file later, Notepad inserts the current date and time. Automatically, it places the timestamp on a new line, ready for you to write your next entry. So basically, if you want to create or add quick to-do list, you just have to click this dot log. You can change the title or you can rename this one later. Add your quick to-do list or activities. And then if you tap X or exit, it will be automatically saved. So you just have to insert anything here. Now, if you want to add something like quickly record thoughts with automatic timestamps, you can keep logs of calls, issues, or progress updates. You can also note what you studied and when, and then you can add here quick to-do list. And think of it like a digital notebook that stamps the time for each entry. Even if you tap this close, when you open, you will see the timestamps, the activity. So it records everything here. Aside from that, you can also format this. There is this options above a notepad where you can change the font, you can change the format and view. And that's how easy it is to use Notepad as a quick to-do list. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.